Again in emoji unboxing, so this time I'll try to unbox the controller that was eventually got sent by my college friends. So because I cannot meet him in time before we come back into overseas, so I tried to buy his PlayStation 5 controller, which basically I can only use it for other devices beside PlayStation 4, because the PlayStation 4 just didn't have the support for the PlayStation 5 controller for some reason. So yeah, I bought it, not a little bit in the cheaper than any other seller original, even though there's already non-original controllers that you can buy cheaper. But yeah, just try to see how the original look like first, because there should be perhaps I don't know, design. So yeah, there's an interrupted sounds that I will definitely mute for some time. So beside buying his PlayStation 5 controller, I'm also buying a Keycaps that basically quite popular because they made a lot of clone keycaps. It's actually origin from China, which I can actually buy it directly, but I decided to buy it secondhand from other people because I wanted to get it sooner, maybe just kind of like ready stock without having to pre-order or wait for the shipment to arrive quite long. So the keycaps, so I used to bought the keycaps, the cherry profile, but right now with a different colorway, I tried to bought that with the SA profile, which is basically way more expensive than the cherry profile for some reason. But yeah, it is pretty cool because it's really looks like a premium keycaps, even though I never really bought keycaps with any kind of profile. Yeah, the box is pretty huge as well, so it's actually the same like the keyboard boxes. So there's will be a little bit adjustment to the box that I tried to store in my cabin. But so yeah, the keycaps is also not secured in the box, so I need to also attaching it to my Leopold keyboard, since this actually the only keyboards that have 2.25 shift, so I don't need to use the enter anymore.